How to buy 47th token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rolls on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, as you can see, don't forget to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 13 hours ago and increased by 6,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 11 on the Solana section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this token, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much we receive, as you can see. And after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information and click on swap, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy 47th token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.